Hey guys, it's Clary, and today I'll be showing you the top 7 underrated shaders for low-end PCs. Number 1 is Silder's Enhanced Default. Some people know about this, but some people don't, but it keeps Minecraft looking like Minecraft. It has beautiful shadows, water and lighting, and it's designed to run even on potato PCs. Number 2, we have Makeup Ultra Fast. This is one of the fastest shaders available, and it's got tons of settings you can mess with. Number 3 is Potato Shaders. This is perfect for old graphics. It's very lightweight but adds better water, nice lighting, bloom, waving leaves, and much more. Up next, the more underrated one is Vanilla Plus. It's super subtle and doesn't try to make Minecraft look more realistic, but it adds a little twang. Number 5 is T Shaders. This one is very underrated and it's one of my favorites. It has almost no FPS difference, and it adds gentle lighting improvements without changing the game style too much. Number 6 is Super Duper Vanilla. This is also very underrated and it makes Minecraft feel like the old Super Duper graphics demo. Last but not least, we have Complementary Reimagined on the Potato profile. Most people think this shader is heavy, but if you switch it to Potato preset, it becomes super efficient. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.